Hi my beautiful and handsome friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Teminooluwa, but I love it when you call me T baby or Chef T. Anyone you want is fine. Today we are making something very delicious and equally easy to make. We are making coconut rice. This recipe is super delicious. So without so much being said, let's move right into the ingredients. But before we do that, if you've not subscribed yet, please kindly hit the subscribe button. It is very important. It makes me feel like I am doing something right. It makes me feel like whatever I'm dropping is useful. It makes me feel like this video is so useful to you. So please hit the subscribe button, the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. You will see one bell right beside the subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so that you will always be the first person to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you found this video helpful, absolutely you are going to find this video helpful. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, drop your comments in the comment section. I love it when I see your comments. I love it when I see your suggestions in the comment section. So don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section. And without so much being said, let's move right into the ingredients real quick. To make our coconut rice, we're going to be using turkey. You can use any choice of protein. You can use chicken. You can even use gizzard. It works perfectly. Even beef. Coconut, very important. Of course, it's coconut rice we are making. Smoked panla fish. Scotch bonnet pepper. The coconut water we got from breaking our coconut. Sweet bell peppers. I'm using the combination of red and green. Onions. Vegetable oil, ginger garlic paste, cayenne pepper. I love to remove the seeds from my cayenne pepper. Fresh tomatoes, salt, thyme, bouillon cubes. I properly washed drained rice, and of course water. So my friends, now that we've gone through the ingredients, let's get cooking. The first thing we want to do is boil our turkey. Salt goes into the turkey, bouillon cubes, and of course water. Cover and allow it to cook. It is not even all about knowing how to cook. Knowing how to multitask in cooking is very important. So while we are boiling our turkey, we're going to make our coconut milk from scratch. You want to add in twice the quantity of the coconut into your blender. So that is what we're going to be blending the coconut with. My friends, we also have to chop our peppers. I love my peppers to be rough. I do not want it to be smooth. My coconut rice, I do not like my peppers smooth. We're going to be chopping the cayenne pepper, the scotch bonnet pepper, the fresh tomatoes, and of course onions. I'm sure by now our turkey should have been properly cooked. It's been over 15 minutes. Perfect. Okay. Oh yeah, let's start cooking the rice. The vegetable oil goes into your pot first. My friends, you need to saute your ginger garlic paste for a bit. Now we're going to go in with our pepper mix, bouillon cubes, our turkey and our turkey broth. What we are trying to do is we're trying to make the pepper enter into the turkey very well. So while the pepper is frying, it is penetrating into the turkey and it comes out very flavorful. So we're just going to allow this fry on low heat, basically till when all the water in the sauce is dried, when it looks like stew. That is exactly what you want to achieve. My friends, look at how good this looks. We're going to take off the turkey from the sauce. Smells amazing. Hi, I dey cook oh. Now the rice goes into the sauce. Our properly washed drained rice. It's time. The coconut milk goes in. Smoked panla fish. Please don't skip this. Bouillon cube, salt, thyme. The coconut water. My friends, let's allow this cook for 25 to 30 minutes on low heat. It is finally time to add in the bell peppers. My friends, you see that cooking is not hard. Cooking is not hard. You just need a very good recipe. Oops. Let's go in back with our turkey, a peppered turkey. If I serve you this type of coconut rice, my friends, if I serve you this type of coconut rice, are you going to eat? There's no way you are telling me no. Ha! Look at it now. It looks so delicious.
My friend, if you've watched till this point and you've not subscribed yet, please tell me why you've not subscribed. Kindly hit the subscribe button, the notification bell right beside the subscribe button to be the first person to always get notified whenever I upload a new video. The coconut rice was yummy, the turkey was tender to the bone and so flavorful. My friends, I would love that you try out this recipe and don't forget to send me feedbacks across my social media platforms. I would love to see you again next week. Bye, my friends.